Okay, morning. So we're gonna make the induction for guys at toolbox. I'm just gonna fill it out. Okay, so person.
That's hey, enjoy Мазюка. Кажете, повинен завтра приїхати, я кажу,
07
нам треба робити потолок. Сказав, каже,
7 Instructor's name me. Так, сейчас поставлю сюда, и не надо будет ее держать. Okay, so morning guys. Nowadays in toolbox talk is about eye protection. I haven't been preparing, so I'm just gonna read it from the paper. Okay, so for today, what we have, a tiny fragment in your eye can cause basically a disaster. So you just need to make some notes and remember, and just to follow these points of safety. So here we have a legal obligation to wear and use the eye protection provided in accordance with health regulations. Well, here is the site already finished, so basically we're not needed even to wear glasses, but it's just for the purpose of the training. So the second one, if you're not carrying out a specified process, you may still be at risk of injury to your eyes. Therefore, you must always wear your eyes protection. The third one, you do not need to watch welding processes unless your eyes are properly protected. Seek a trained first aider for attention to your eyes. Well, basically you also don't need to touch your eyes with dirty hands. You should not go to areas where eye protection is required unless you're wearing eye protection. You should take care of any protective equipment issued to you. So, have any damage, loose or unserviceable protective equipment is going to be replaced immediately. Just tell me, I'm going to replace it for you. And just a few points. Make sure your eye protectors are suitable for you and for the work being done. So we're here using only the meter saws, so we're using goggles, safety goggles when the guy is, the cutting, not on the rest of the time. Ensure your eye protectors are comfortable to wear and keep them clean. And the last one is the place for eye protectors is over your eyes, not on your head or around your neck. And it's our company, there is some minimum requirement that these safety glasses are worn at all times on site. Remember, eye protectors are replaceable, your eyes are not. So just a short one, and you just need to sign and that's it.
Okay.
А я дальше пойду снимать.
Посомневался.
Я пару косарей за эту фигню заплатил еще за это шоу.
Нахер, зачем?
Чтобы карту получить.
Не расписывайся.
Карта лося 6 уровня. Это как диплом. Диплом бакалавра считается. Строительного. Какой с меня строительный бакалавр? Надеюсь, они по-русски не будут понимать. Alright, so just the guy signed. And we are now... Вы пока чем-нибудь там, не знаю, поваляете. Мне еще надо там обзор на документы сделать. Okay, so basically we started with the pre-induction, pre-site toolbox training. And now we need to sign other documents. So this is, all of my documents, all of the site manager's documents. And now I'm gonna go through another one. So we need to fill the site manager's inspection checklist with my name, just to, just for you to know everything is legit. Site manager's environmental checklist also we need to fill now. This is a toolbox talk already done. So as I told you, this is a small site. It's actually a residential site. It's even basically not a site. The people are living here, so we just you know, finishing some works and leaving. Alright. It's not a long time remaining. What we need to make to sign also this one, Puver. Equipment record. It's for the, you know, for the chargers. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my phone and look, you know, what we need to fill more. I'm gonna just go through every, you know, aspect. So I'm just gonna read it for you. What we need more. Alright, toolbox is done. Site manager inspection checklist gonna do, and site manager environmental inspection checklist gonna do now. Alright, also I need to sign the ladders. We have 4 ladders, but the problem is on this site you need to have a PASMA ticket. So the specially trained guy is gonna come at any moment that he's gonna check the ladders and sign them. So I am basically, well, I can sign them and have an inspection, but by law, like I need to have a PASMA ticket to training. The board trolley, yeah, the board trolley I can inspect, so this we're also gonna sign. So let's start. I'm just gonna go through the document. Oh, this is a check-in sheet, so just a few guys, you know. Alright, what short training. Just gonna, you know, I'm gonna go through documents. Folder, okay, I found it. Folder. Let's check. Yep, it is here. So I'm just gonna need to take the pen. So today is 27. So we're writing a date here. Oh, thanks. We have 2 chargers. Well, basically, it also not some serious stuff. It's just you place the stickers on it, and it like complies with the law. So we're just writing OK. Puver done. Board trolley. So this with the board trolley, as I told you, I cannot sign it, so I'm just gonna wait for the guy to come to sign, or just ask my project manager.
Открыто?
Нет. А зачем?
Моей батареи шестерки нет, наверное, у тебя
Нету.
болт сбоку прикручен.
В батарейках?
Поступает. Батарея, да. шестерка.
Не, в батарее никакой вроде нет. Ну, сейчас я не торопимся, посмотрю. Через минут 5-10. Alright, so board trolley. I wonder where is it? Just let me have a look. Yeah, this one I was filling, but I actually needs to be filled weekly, but you... Oh, no, wait, board trolley, yeah, I can. Oh, sorry, board trolley. We will need to find it though. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. А вы тролли не видели? Не видели. Okay, I'm trying to find the trolley. So as you can see, the guys even walking without the PPE, and you know, because this is a residential. The people, as I said, people living here. So even we're not like obliged to wear kind of PPE, like not a problem. Okay, so let's now sort things with board trolley. Just have a quick inspection on it. Then we're signing board trolley document, and then we're just looking for site manager's environmental checklist. We're gonna go through it and sign them, and it's gonna be it. Board trolley. I'm gonna try to find it. It was somewhere here. Oh, here it is. Here's our board trolley. Everything seems to be in order. Wheels, brakes, casters. Yep. All good. Well, it's a you know, it's board trolley, it can like break like instantly. So sometimes guys using it, but most of the time it's just standing flat. So we're just gonna sign it off and go through another checklists. Regarding what we'll need for today, we will need hot permit. No, we will not need hot permit. So we just, for now, we're just gonna go sign off the board trolley document. We can see the extinguishers in place. Guys are getting ready.
Давай дроинг от этого самого.
Drawing?
Да.
Вот drawing там.
Где?
Вот, да.
Хорошо.
They're asking for the drawing for the ceiling.
Да.
Так, дайте мне место, пожалуйста. Мне тут надо
Загубили вы все.
поснимать.
Ну, открой toolbox.
Toolbox. Хорошо, подержите камеру.
Я же говорю, на тебя, на
На меня. Сейчас она на вас.
Да, на меня, ну тогда на тебя, на. Вот, открывай toolbox, все. Шестерку спрятал в свой toolbox, блядь.
Я не брал.
Ну я понял, но она ушла пешком.
Я точно не брал.
Ну хорошо.
Ну, может, она тут завалялась.
Всё, я
Ну, я вот тогда буду, если она здесь будет. Так неудобно будет.
Так, ну смотри.
Just they're asking for some battery. Давайте, помогу это все выкинуть.
Не-не-не.
Вытягивайте пилу. Вот. Пока не пользуемся. Ага. Just the miter saw. For the ceilings, we're doing the ceilings, but we're not allowed to, you know, to make some noise and drill because it's a residential. Like people are sleeping. We just got it, you know, to do some pre-work, you know, stuff. Yes, my toolbox. Oh.
Чья это, блядь?
Чья?
О, это ваша.
Чё
I still the guy's battery. Ну я и вор. Ну так неудобно. Прям.
Нет, ну я сам одевал.
Конечно, вы сами одевали, я ни при чем.
На свою хомотрель одевал, да.
Я ни при чем. Окей. Alright, so we're just gonna sign the board trolley.
Вони походу зробили його просто сюди іде, а потім уже сюди підсів. Здовж. Ну, типу, все. Але
Okay, I need to double check board trolley.
тут вже стоїть плат.
I need to sign
Цей. Якщо не зробити цілі, так і піти далі.
24.
Кусок вийде.
Alright, so 27. I forgot to fill it for the Friday, so today's 27. 06. So basically wheels good, brakes good, tires good, supports. So we're just signing it off. Hydraulic cylinders, this is not applicable. Not applicable. RB, RB. Alright, so we just need to fill the last ones. Our inspection checklists. And the site manager's environmental checklist. So these two papers. What we might check. Let us check the first aid, extinguishers, just the drying room. PPE checked, storage. Just check the top floor, you know. Let's go and check it. Just extinguishers, changing rooms, you know, this kind of stuff. And if everything is good, then we're just signing what we have planned. We don't have ladders. Alright. Storage, cosh, PPE, dust masks. Alright, no problem. First aid box we're gonna check, you know. Fire extinguishers, as you see, we have one. Well, one spot. We have definitely more.
Ground mezzanine level. Going up.
Okay.
Level 2. Going up.
So as you see, the people are living here, so even the people, the residents, and they're using the same lift as you know, the contractors. But contractors here don't have much work to do, so we just everyone, basically all projects should be finished in like 2 weeks, maybe 3, well maximum 4. Alright, so our camp, let's say it in that way. Alright, the facilities, toilets alright. Extinguishers, alright. Cleaning pods, alright. Changing rooms, okay.
Нам тайлс
Ви-
туда какие должны идти?
С дырками.
Хорошо. С дырками, там половина поломанных и как потом. Ну короче, мы
Пока
ставим
посмотреть, если можно поставить с дырками, он говорил. Все используем старые, первым делом. Вообще все. Okay, this is the project office. The first aid box. Well, no serious injuries on site, so basically everything is in order. Everything is in order and just literally fine, so we're just gonna go and sign it off. Come on, Charlie. The guys already started to do some work. Let's go check. Что, с дырками берем? Вот их куча эти и ставим.
В курсе? Тебе так кажется куча. Если
170.
короткие, вот эти надо сейчас пойдут, а вот тех на весь коридор их не хватит.
Ну,
Во-первых, они вот
170,
разломаны, если ты видишь.
147.
ну да, эти, да.
Как ты их будешь считать? Там тоже он разломанный, и тут, я думаю, ни один и не два.
Ну, время у нас есть, пару недель, так что нормально.
Нихуя себе ты, блядь.
Я серьезно, мы еще должны силинг начать тот, нам на следующей неделе только его открывают
Хорошо.
на B1.
Ну, так мы этот растянем, может, на целую неделю.
Да
может.
побольше даже.
Да, добре.
Я серьезно?
Ці підходять подобні.
Okay, we're gonna go sign the... Just a quick chat with the guys.